Hello everyone, and I'm so proud of you to share with you this way to how you can change the font, any font you want. You can just download from the internet and install it as an official way. No root, no headache or head problems with the phone with your phone or something. This way it's only used for Infinix and try this way only Infinix. I'm not sure about any kind of another devices, but this is the only way. I'm just to try it on devices for Infinix, so I hope it will be worked with you perfectly. So in the beginning, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Then you will write in the search box EX File Manager. All right, this is how it looks like the icon. Because I'm already downloaded, installed on my device, so he showed me there's open. But for you, for the beginning, it will be shown as a install or download. You will click on it, and he will automatically download it and install on your device. So now I'm gonna open it. Okay, going there to internal storage to the download. All right, I you can, as I said before, you can download any font from any website for any. For example, you can, if you're using the Word for Office, there are a lot of options for font. If you like some of these fonts, just you can download from your PC or laptop to your device, to your smartphone Infinix here, and you can download it. It's very simple, very easy. For example, now I like this type of font. Its name XP Code. So I'm downloaded here. I'm gonna take a copy. Okay, then I'm going to the internal storage. All right, we will go to the Android file, then data. We will scroll down. When you see this icon F, this is the application. This is the official application in the system, in the Infinix systems. You will open this all this file. All right, now we have these files. We will go to the cloud font. Okay, before doing that, we will go to the settings over there, then scroll down to the personalization. All right, I'm sorry if I get misreading, not clearly. Okay, we will scroll down my font. Okay, you can add, it will be showing automatically automatically on default font. So you'll add here. As you can see, there are a lot of fonts. You can download any font you would like. It's no necessary to install specific font. It's just a process that makes you to install any font, as I say before, from the internet. For now, let's say I'm download a suite, okay, and telling okay, apply now. He will be there. The second step, we will go to the ex files. Okay, internal Android data from font files. Go to the fonts. Okay, cloud font. If you choose any font you would like, not my font, sweet fonts, not my the same process, you will have to looking for your font here over there. There are a lot of fonts you can look for it. For example, this is Elisco. This is the names for the fonts. For me now, as I said before, as I choose a sweet font, this is the file for it. This name for gun. We will click on it, open it. This is AR candy. All right. So what I should to do now, I will paste my font which I would like to install it on my devices. All right. So now what we have to do, we will go keep clicking on it. So show this bar. You can see rename here. We will just copy the name, exactly the name. Take a copy, okay, then cancel. Then we will again keep click on the font and delete it. Now we will click a long way and rename. We will write the same font before. Paste your candid.ttf and okay. Now what's happened? Now let's go back to the settings to make sure that everything is changed. Setting here, personalization, scroll down, my font, then suite. That's it. Okay, here giving you a quick review about what his looks like the font if you click on the apply. Okay, we will click on apply. Okay, he congratulations, your phone's now installed on your device. So this is the way how we can change any font you would like in your Infinix mobiles. Hope you guys that makes you enjoy and helpful for all of people who cannot change the font. Thank you for your watching and have a great day. Thank you.